Hey everybody, it's Rad. No, it's Rad. I don't, try it again. Hey everybody, it's Rad. I don't know how to say that right. Anyhow. Okay, so in the beginning of the quarantine, I made this image here, which was based on an older image I created like maybe 6 years ago. It's this one here. She's got the torch, Lady Liberty, as a minifigure. And it says liberty and justice for all, sort of like the Pledge of Allegiance. And yeah, it was different than the other images I've done because it's not outlined. It's two color for shading, and there's the white for highlight. So it was a little different. I carried this particular banner now 4 times to the Women's March here in New York City where I live. So yeah, it's two-sided, as it should be, and it's been used as you could see. It's been through it. So anyway, at the beginning of this quarantine, I made this image, and then people started asking me, "Oh, are you going to have T-shirts? Are you going to have prints, stickers?" And I was like, "Oh, okay." I didn't plan on it. I just made it, and I just put it out there. And so I ended up, going ahead and making this print, and I ended up making stickers. Here are the stickers, and those did really well. Sold these all over the world. I didn't think people would want, stickers that had to do with a symbol of the U.S., but they do. So, oh yeah, here's the T-shirt. Okay, I've already worn this out quite a bit, and it's only been like a month. It's been the go-to. So, that's that. There's the T-shirt. Stickers. I even made in the traditional Forever Young image, like this one, which kind of like set off the whole street art thing when this guy started appearing. I did another version of that with the teddy bear. Can you see that? Let me get my lamp. Okay, can you see that? And even the teddy bear has a mask on too. And then I ended up making this run of Giclee prints, and they're all numbered. They're even embossed. I don't know if you could see that. It says Forever Young here in the corner. There it is. You could sort of see it there. Anyhow, it's there. The stickers, I've already had to buy them 3 times from the place where I order them, and it's afforded me be able to give to charity already from the earnings from these from this image alone. So I've given to No Kid Hungry, I've given to Feeding America, and the local food bank here in New York. So thank you so much to everyone who has ordered prints and stickers and T-shirts. Means a lot to me, so I really appreciate that. And there are still some of these on the website. So go on to raddingtonfalls.com and you'll find the shop. And also, here is a little time lapse of me unpacking them, packing them, putting the embossing on it, signing them, and then ended up going ahead and shipping them all out. So by now, everyone who ordered them for the pre-order should have them. So anyway, here's the video. Thanks again, everybody. Oh, one more thing. As this image here says, stay forever young, stay healthy, be safe, everyone. Thanks again. Bye-bye.